Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup to external SSD using Windows Backup Schedule step by step clearly. Open your Windows computer and connect your external SSD. Ensure that the external SSD is recognized by your system. Click on the Start menu and open the Settings app. In the Settings window, select Update and Security. On the left side, click on Backup. Next, click on Add a drive and after selecting your SSD, click on More options located below. In the next screen, scroll down to find Backup Now to initiate. While the backup is in progress, review the options available. You can adjust how often backups will occur under Backup My Files. Select the frequency that best suits your needs from the drop-down menu. You can also choose how long to keep your backups under the Keep My Backups option. To include additional folders, click on Include a folder and select the desired directories. If needed, you can exclude specific folders under the Exclude these folders section. Once all options are set, close the Settings window. Your Windows backup schedule to the external SSD is now configured. To ensure everything works, you might want to perform a manual backup. After confirming, exit the backup settings. Ensure your external SSD is safely removed after backups are completed. Regularly check your backup settings to make any necessary adjustments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.